Today, let's talk about what to keep in your breast pump bag. Having a small bag prepared ahead of time can make pumping away from home much more convenient. Start with your clean manual breast pump and make sure all of its parts are packed together. Bring clean bottles or breast milk storage bags if you plan to express milk while you're out. It's also helpful to carry extra cleaning supplies recommended by the manufacturer for situations where you may need to clean pump parts before returning home. Many parents also pack a small towel, hand sanitizer for times when soap and water aren't immediately available, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. Before leaving home, take a quick look through your bag to make sure everything is ready. A little preparation can save time and help you feel more confident wherever your day takes you. Thanks for watching, and follow for more breastfeeding and breast pump tips.